In this video, I'm going to teach you how to return products on Savana. So you want to click on the app here for the Savana app. You want to click on the Me button here on the bottom right. Then you want to click on Return Policy. And then you'll see that there is a bunch of policies that they have provided. Very top, you'll see that there's no return fee. So if the courier does ask for a return fee, you can actually deny that, and you can actually email the support at savana.iq or go for the chat option, and they'll make sure that it won't get repeated. And then at the return, at the time of delivery, they do have options where you can keep certain products and you can return other products. Just make sure you go through the return policy just to make sure that you're following all the steps. You got to make sure that all the tags are not damaged because they will check for that. And also, you want to make sure that that you do initiate a return request 10 days of receiving the product. So do know there are some exceptions like lingerie, jewelry, holiday accessories, swimwear. Just make sure you review this page and you should be set. Thanks for watching.